Yeah, so for example, if I don't like the theme that I like to have this theme, so I can just change it. And as you can see later on, the screen actually changed and everything looks different.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, just like that.
Nice.
It's pretty simple. I can view
So
the map
on
and
this,
see where things are. Yep.
on that screen, we can we upload our own? I like the themes that are there. If it were me, I would, you know,
Yeah, you
put
can
a
do some
I'd
themes.
put a landscape of San Francisco. Like we could even put our stupid logo.
Yeah,
Whatever.
it's going to be your logo, definitely. And the
Okay.
background is I changing this setting is the global setting, right? But
Yeah.
in each room, for example, and if I go to the Yosemite conference room, with my Yosemite conference room, I have the same setting on the back end where you can actually changing all your background either to a different theme, a different background, so you can update a static background, or you can even use a something called the slideshow.
Okay.
You can put a bunch of them and using a room specific slideshow. So for example, I'm doing this.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
One I have, I save it and I save it, and then I changing the room, and they use I'm in the Yellowstone conference, so that's why it didn't show me all the fancy stuff. Let me switch my room. Hold on, and then I logging in. I'm going to change my room to Yosemite. They all start with the UI, Yosemite conference room.
Oh yeah, no, my list has one person right now, and I don't even really need the list for that person.
Hold on a second. Let me
No, you're good.
This is Yellowstone.
Cool.
Change Yosemite. Confirm. As you can see, that slideshow is going to come up, and you can change its transition, and you can change how long it stay and all that you want.
Sick.
Yep.
All right.
And in my theme here, as you can see, I even have more fancy stuff. I allow them to report issues.
Right.
So you can send an email to your ticketing system. I even enable something called a changing my language interface. I like Japanese.
I think that's.
And you can see the whole thing can change the Japanese.
Fortunately, the answer.
So those are all the options you can offer to your theme or not.
Yeah, I think what's really cool about this system, Shane, is that you can really make the face of your displays as simple or as crazy as possible when it comes to functionality. So I think one thing that, and correct me if I'm wrong, Jackie, but you can even set this to where you can private, like make a meeting private. Yep. So if you've got something coming through that you don't want everyone to know who's meeting in that meeting or what they're talking about, you can set a private meeting. And yeah, you can just really.
You can like way fancy it up any way you want.
So, so what I'm saying.
That's really cool. That's
so